Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp status audio overlapping problem in iPhone. So if you're having this error, I'll show you three different solutions for solve the problem. The first solution is check for WhatsApp update. Go to your App Store and simply search for WhatsApp. And now if you see any update for your WhatsApp app, all you have to need, make sure to update your WhatsApp app first. Once successfully updated, go ahead and check the error. And the second solution is give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So all you have to need, restart your iPhone and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is you have to uninstall your WhatsApp app and then you have to reinstall it. So uninstall your WhatsApp app and then go to App Store and search for WhatsApp, and all you have to need, reinstall WhatsApp app. And after following all of these solutions, hope the error will be solved now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.